Hi friends, welcome to my channel. It's Robin here. I hope you had a wonderful holiday and a great beginning of 2021. Today I'll be making basil chicken with cauliflowers. This recipe is my variation of the traditional Chinese dish called 3-cup chicken. I adjusted the ratio of the sauces and added cauliflowers to make the dish less oily and have a better balance between the meat and vegetables. As always, the ingredients and measurements are listed down below in the description box. First, cut the chicken into small cubes and marinate it in sauces for about half an hour. Here I use the chicken thigh. If you want, you can also use drumsticks or chicken wings. Prepare the ginger slices, garlic, green onions, and cauliflowers. Turn on the stove and use the medium heat. Wait for the pan to become hot. Add about 2 ounces oil. Sauté the ginger, garlic, and the white part of green onions for about 2 minutes to release their fragrance. Add the chicken and use high heat to stir-fry the chicken for about 3 minutes until the chicken changes color. Well, if you watched my other videos, you know I like spicy food. So here I added a few dried chilies, which is of course optional. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice cooking wine, and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Mix well. Turn down the heat to medium. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the cauliflowers and mix them well. Cover it and let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes, depending on how crunchy you would like the cauliflower to be. When the time is up, add the Thai basil and the green part of green onions. Mix everything together and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Then the dish is done. The Thai basil smells so good. Although it was added in the final step, it was absolutely essential. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for healthy and delicious home cooking recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye!